Hello, my name is Arlette and this is my official video for FFQR-19. The purpose of this story was to integrate the new nutrient list collection into the FoodItem service. So we updated our class diagram, and now instead of having an array list of nutrients inside of the food type, we're going to have an identifier for a nutrient list ID that is going to come from the Excel sheet that was provided by the product owner, Christina, with all of the nutrient information for each type of food in the questionnaire. So this nutrient list ID is coming from a new column that was added. This is going to link the type and the nutrient information for that type. So I added this new column here, and it's usually 4 to 8 letters, and this is how, when calculating the final result, the service is going to obtain each of these values for each nutrient. I'm going to leave a tutorial for how I did this and how I loaded this Excel sheet into Mongo. So here we have Mongo, the nutrient lists, and for each of these types, this is a nutrient map that is going to have a value for each of those nutrients. So I used Apache POI library to do this, and we can take a look at it here. It's iterating every row and getting all of the appropriate values and putting them into the right place in that map. So this made it a lot easier for us to load all of that data, and it's gonna read it directly from that database, from that Excel sheet. And if there's any changes to be made, then you just need to update the file here, and it's going to add or remove any changes. Thank you very much for listening.